Good morning. How are you? How was the weekend? Ndofunga kuti makakomborerwa paweekend apa kandopa tinoendeka kumachechi tadzoka zvekare. Asi tisati tapinda munyaya dzeizodzi, pane nyaya ndoda kuti tigadzirise pano pachannel. Handiti regai tigadzirise nyaya iyi. Guys, I need you to understand kuti this platform is a big platform. There's no need for us to be competing. There's no need for you guys kuti mubve panapa muchienda kune mamwe machannel muchinoita comparison. It's not good, and it's not good for the mental health of those people. There's this lady, and it's not her first time anogara achisiya comments ari nasty and what, but pane comment one yaakaenda akanosiya kuchannel yaAunty Mamo. I need you to know that Aunty Mamo is my sister. Do you understand me? You go to Aunty Mamo's channel, then makaenda mukanotaura zvamakataura, but pane paakanotaura kuti there's another confessions and secrets group rakavhurwa 2 or so months ago, and now it is close to 30k because she posts chero zvisina basa. Sometimes even if she doesn't have confessions, anongotaura nyaya dzisina direction, and a group riri kutokura. Ndobva ndangoti kikiki, ndobva ndakomenta, ndobva ndati kikiki hanzi nyaya dzisina direction. I didn't care kuti is she talking about me or what. Then ndobva ati dzekurumwa, then nyaya yacho became personal. Dzekurumwa nembwa kubotswana nekukura kwenyu musingadiwi nehama bla bla bla, nekuoma kweupenyu tinongoteererawo. Handiti from this comment, so she's saying inini ndinoposta nyaya dzisina direction. That's what she's saying. She went on and said Aunty Mamo is the best, and inini ndakatoinspirewa naAunty Mamo kutanga channel yangu. Let me give you a background of me. I posted my very first video on this platform 7 years ago, 2018 December, 2017, 2018 December, somewhere there. Ndopa ndakaposta my very first video. At that time, there were very few Zimbabweans who were doing YouTube, Wanawongai, and a whole lot of people. I don't know if you know them. The reason why you and me, Daphne, we never met is because you were never my target audience. Because of the hate and the bitterness that Zimbabweans have, I never wanted anything to do with Shona. Do you understand me? I want you to know, Kutin, I have a podcast that I put on hold at the moment. I've done interviews with people like Nelisi Mwase of Mwase Films. I've done interviews with the Sand Twins, if you know them. I've done interviews with a whole lot of people on my podcast. I'm part of the YouTube team that teaches people how to YouTube. If you go on the YouTube playlist, YouTube, the platform, in a YouTube page here. If you go on that platform, pane playlist, yakanzi how to start a YouTube channel. You will see my videos there. We attend my conference kusantin anenge achihostewa neYouTube there. I'm part of those people who get to be invited. I think it was me and this other lady. It was 2 Zimbabweans, me and this other lady. I don't remember her name. I've hung up with Vana Sims Right, kana mchiona machannel. Na Katleho, if you know her, sister yake anopresenta pa TV. I've done collabs with Mrs. Rad, the late Mrs. Rad. She was my friend, if you know her. I'm telling you all this so that you know, Kuti, I've been on this platform for a very long time, my sister. I've worked with African Confessions before it was even African Confessions. It was Mzansi. When we started it, it was Mzansi Confessions. But because of the hate, the xenophobic comments that we were getting, because Nashi Ivory accent, yechishona, ndipo patakachinja tikabata ndini ndakatonoichinja ndikatonyora kuti African Confessions, so that we incorporate everyone in Africa on these confessions. So my sister Daphne, I want you to know, Kuti, if you're talking of Aunty Mamo's channel, she's my sister. If you're talking about Mukoma Nashi, Anonzi Tinashi, he's my brother. Do you understand? Ngatidzidzei kubvisa ruvengo pakati pedu. Ngatidzidzei kuva vanhu vane rudo, vanhu vanosupporta each other. Do you understand me? These are my brothers. These are my sisters. We have worked together. Can you please stop this comparison? Muchuya muchitaura zvemacomments enyu anenge ari nasty, ari bitter. Hapana chamunowana. I can start a channel nhasi and I will never tell you, and I will get the audience, my target audience, I'll get it. Why? Because I know. Do you understand me? I know how to YouTube. I've been here for a very long time. Do you understand me? And I'm not scared of the camera. I've done this for the past 7 years. So I've done this for the past 7 years. I know the how to behind. I know the strategies. I know. Hapana chandisingazivi. Do you understand me? I know the strategies. I know how to hit the algorithm. I know. Saka regai kuda kupima vanhu nekuda kushotesa vanhu muchiuya pano muchizotaura kuti uyu mamo is better than she's my sister. She actually called me yesterday akati maonere comment yasiwa vanhu vanoita basa rekuuya vachisiya macomment masora seiko anti mamo mogwara imi apa ndoda kudorekodha video yangu yemunhu anga achiti kwai ndoposta zvinhu zvisina direction saka ndadoti regandi baba madondifonera kwai ndoposta zvinhu zvisina direction mai mwana
ndakaona comment iyo ine zuro ndakatoiscreenshota ndichida kukutumirai but I wasn't sure if she was referring to you. Ndaida kukutaridza kuti tarisai comment yandasangana nayo but ndakazoita busy manje.
People are bitter. Like why? Ndoda kutofima kuti comparison is a thief of joy. Unogara uchingokomenta unotaura kuti kwai anoposta nyaya dzisina direction. Nyaya dzisina direction kuwanenge amanikizoona ani kuona.
Vanhu vanopenga. Handakakuudza kuti pano umwe akakomenta akati kanziko channel yenyu remain the best because haina funny accent. Hamena kuti kwanziko ndozvaakandita komenta chandichazoiti iri pavidhiyo ripi.
Akadaro, for what? We work as a team. We are a team. Don't compare us. Do you understand me? Don't compare us. The way I speak and the way Mamo speaks, the way Tinashe speaks, we are different people. Those who like what I say, those who enjoy, are going to stay here, my sister. And if you think Kutinisha and Taura, Ajina Basa, girl, this is a very free platform. Apana muna rukuba try putting my sister could come to this channel and watch. I'm tired of the bitterness in Zimbabwe. We are so bitter. Tirivan very bitter. But I will not allow you to cyberbully me here. Do you understand? This is my platform, girl. I am on the YouTube partner program. I'm a partner of YouTube as a platform. YouTube recognizes me. They know kutikune munanonzi glory. Okay? So next time, before you leave your nasty comments, remember, Kuti, I did not start this channel because of you. I've been here, my sister, for a very, very, very long time. Go and ask Neo Catch Baby, Botswana, anogara ku UK, anogara ku USA, who is Glory. She's going to tell you who is Glory. I've been here for a very long time, my sister. Please drop it. Okay? Can you drop it?